Good morning, Lord. As we just bask in the early morning sun, we just want to thank you for this day. And Lord, this morning I especially want to think of those who are facing a shadow period, where the sun appears to be hidden from their path, where they don't feel confident at all that you've remembered their prayers, their anxiety, and measured their levels of stress. Father, would you just love them this morning? Would your still quiet voice speak amongst the noises and show them the direction? If they're walking through the valley of the shadow of death, Father, would you hold their hand? Would you bring in the Comforter with such presence that it overwhelms and lights up the dark places? We are so human, Lord. I can't even begin to say how frail and fragile we are without you. And in the deep crevices of those emotions, we lose perspective completely. So deal with our hurt emotions, our anxiety, and give us that peace, Father, because it's all that we can take with us through the shadow places, and a sense of your presence, walking with us, loving us, putting your arms around us, carrying us if need be. Thank you, my Lord, in Jesus' name.